What's up, man? Looking good. Let me get a closer one.
What you got, taking pictures?
I'm taking pictures. You want your picture taken? Oh, he was so pumped. Whoa, what? What just happened to the camera?
This video is sponsored by Professional Photographers of America. Stick around to learn more about their equipment insurance, their education, and business tools for folks like you and me. Okay, now we're gonna get into some Sony A7IV street photography.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Zach Mayfield, and this is the Sony A7IV right here. And also, look, here it is. Nashville. Now I know what you're thinking. Wow, that's so cool. This guy's working with Sony. Is he an ambassador? No, I rented it with my own money because poverty and we don't have that many subscribers. But we're gonna take this baby out for a spin and see if I can get a singular good photo. I have the Sigma 85mm f1.4 art lens, as well as a Tiffin 1/8 black Pro Mist on this lens. So it could be sexy, it could be really cool, or it could suck. Try not to judge me, and we're gonna talk about that more when we switch to my POV camera. All right, ladies and gents, we got some race cars being noisy in the background, but more importantly, we got the Sony A7IV for the first time. If you're new here, you might not know, but I usually use a Sony A7S3, which is what I shot the intro with. Absolutely love that camera. I use it for everything. Usually the main complaint with it for photography is the low megapixel count of 12, and this has 33. So, you know, 12 has been more than enough for me, but it will be nice to have 33, have some cropping room, you know, just more detail, more resolution, which might actually help us get cleaner images at night as well. Oh my God, it's cold. Green Goblin, Spider-Man 1. And one thing I wanted to mention also right off the bat is I don't consider myself an amazing photographer. For some reason, people watch my videos when I make photography videos, so it's actually kind of a cool challenge for me to document my growth as a photo boy. So try not to judge me too hard. If you have constructive criticism, feel free to drop that down below and join this awesome community. There's some wonderful babes part of this channel. I really like this lens because it's the updated 85mm, so it's a lot smaller than the previous. And it's this is a nice compact setup. I'm also gonna challenge myself to use the screen a bit more instead of always using the viewfinder, just because it looks better for you guys for the video to see what I'm doing. That's kind of cool. I can get a shot of you guys if you want.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
I could send it to you too if you want me to shoot one on my camera.
Is that cool?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I appreciate that, bro.
Sweet. We'll see how this looks. Yeah, that looks great. I'm testing out a new camera tonight for my YouTube channel.
Awesome, man. What's your YouTube?
It's just my name, it's Zach Mayfield. Can I get one of you with your hood on?
Yes.
Yas.
What is it?
Zach Mayfield, Z-A-C-H.
Awesome, bro. I
Cool.
appreciate you,
Yeah,
man.
sounds
Nice to
good.
meet you.
Yeah, I'll see you around. Maybe I'm just being a little techie son of a bitch right now, but I feel like I can already tell a difference in the resolution and like detail between this and the 12 megapixel sensor on the A7S3. This guy. He looks so cold. Poor guy's just trying to get home. Oh, this is the coolest building in Nashville, in my opinion. The lights on top change colors every day, and it's just, it's a cool looking building. I've never gone down this way. If you guys are passionate about helping out people that don't have homes, there's an amazing organization in Nashville called People Loving Nashville. And if you guys want to support them, if you're passionate about that, that'd be awesome. Shaq is in here. What if I just looked in this window and gosh heckin' Shaquille O'Neal was standing there? How you doing, Mr. Shaq? Dude, there's plenty of light down here too. This is great. There's a bunch of cool lights in here. It's kind of neat. Wish I could see their faces. That's cool. You making a video?
Huh?
You making a video?
Oh no, YouTube vlogging.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm here almost every day.
All right, sweet. Not making a video, YouTube vlogging. That man's got a fucking mission and I respect it. There's some cool light up by these food truckies. Can I get a shot of you? You wanna like blow some smoke up again? That look cool. That's rad, dude.
Hey, I appreciate it.
Looking like an absolute chief.
Yeah, man. Usually I'm dressed way flashier. I'm just.
Oh, you look
in my
fine.
own tonight.
It's
like,
cold, you gotta stay warm.
Dead out here, so.
Have a good one, dude. How you doing?
Hey, man. What you got? Taking pictures?
I'm taking pictures. You want your picture taken?
If you want to.
It's just for fun.
You gonna make fun of me.
Oh, I won't make fun of you. You look good. You look better than me. Look at you. You're looking good, man.
Can you help me out? Give me something to eat, brother.
Yeah, I actually have a couple bucks in my bag if you don't mind. Dude, just take my stack, man. You're my model tonight.
Can I make the model money?
Thank you, man. Have a good night. Oh, he was so pumped. Oh, that's so cool.
You remember how in the beginning of this video, the A7IV just completely froze up? Well, you wouldn't have to worry about that if you had PPA's equipment insurance, which gives you $15,000 of coverage as soon as you sign up, and there's cheap flat repair and replacement deductibles. The camera is okay, it was just a sound effect. You also get free access to the Imaging USA conference where you can meet industry professionals like this guy or this lady and network with them, you know, learn from the pros in our industry. And on a personal note, I've been using the PPA website to learn more about street photography and photography techniques in general, just so I can better myself and become a better artist, learn my craft, and there's just a ton of good resources on their website. So check out PPA in the description. It helps me get closer to full-time YouTube. Thank you to PPA for sponsoring. Thank you for being a watcher of the video. Now back to the A7IV action.
Open this bad boy up to 1.4. Let's just get crazy, dude. It's kind of cool. Just get way low. Gosh, dang it. This was my fear. I was gonna try this camera out and really like it. And guess what? That's what's happening. Bro, that's hilarious. In honor of Nakey Jakey, ladies and gentlemen, in honor of Nakey Jakey. That's hilarious. What's up, man? Looking good. Let me get a closer one. Give me another pose. That's awesome, man. Go ahead. You're all good, man. I'm just chilling. Excuse me, sir. How's your night going? My camera doesn't recognize you as a human face. Is there a reason for that, sir? Something you're not telling us? All right, you have a wonderful night, sir. Autofocus is kind of hit or miss sometimes on this thing. I remember my days ripping gigs, except I never made money at it. That's the difference. Excuse me. Nashville driving at its finest. Dude, that is like the perfect definition of Nashville driving. Getting some decent snaps this eve. Just a few DCs. See if I can get a shot of this guy before me. Just gotta keep my camera up, dude. I need to come down here sometime when it's like peak party scene, like Saturday night, midnight, and just see what the heck happens. I feel like that would be super fun because people probably won't care at all if you take their photo. Whoa, what? What just happened to the camera? What the heck? Did you guys see that? It like totally froze up. It's working now, what the heck?
I had a great time going out with the A7IV and this 85mm Pro Mist combination. It was really fun. It was super cold, but I feel like I had some great conversations with people, got a few bangers in there, you know. I'm still learning how to edit photos and, you know, shoot photos in general. It's so different to me than shooting video, which is where I come from. Quick reminder to check out PPA in the top link in the description. Please like this video because 1 like equals 1 A7IV that will never freeze. Subscribe to join this weird little internet village and join our Discord if you really want to get fully immersed in the Zachy Mayfam server. It's a great group of people in there. We talk every day, we DM each other, having a good time, sharing work, sharing memes, and it would be great to have you in there if you're interested in that. It's free. Okay, cool. Thank you for supporting me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.